Good evening, everybody. I hope everybody can hear my voice and see the screen. Okay. So today we are going to have a revision of a couple of topics. Right? We'll take a look at series and we will take a look at coding. We'll run through the basic theory. So for those who have done it, it will be a refresher. For those who have not done these topics, it will be an understanding of what exactly the questions are and what goes behind solving them. So we'll take a quick look at the theory and then run with questions, right? So we start with one of the first topics which I usually take when we talk about reasoning, and that is series. And we all know what a series is. A basic series is nothing but a pattern of things, right? It could be numbers, it could be letters, it could even be images. As far as entrance exams are concerned, the most common type of series that are asked are questions of number series. You are given a set of numbers, there may be one number missing in between, so you have to identify how the numbers are related and you have to mark the correct answer. So let's take a look at a different type of logic which can be used when making a number series. Starting with the very first one, the first kind of series that we can be looking at is series which are based on addition, right? When we talk about numbers, there are a limited number of mathematical operations that we can do on them. So the very first thing that we can do with numbers is addition. And when I say addition, it includes subtraction, because subtraction is nothing but addition of the negative number. So addition including subtraction, or there could be a logic of multiplication in the series, when multiplication includes division also, right? Because dividing by a number is the same as multiplying by the inverse of that number, reciprocal of that number. So either addition is there or there is some sort of multiplication, or it could be a mixed series where both addition and multiplication are taken together. Or sometimes the series are given in groups, or we could have number logic of squares, cubes of numbers, primes of primes, prime numbers, or it could be some other mathematical operation. So let us take examples of all these types to understand each one of them in detail. Starting with the first one, when I say addition, if we give you a series of, let us say, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17, if this is a simple addition series, then what is the logic behind the series? And based on that logic, what will be the next two numbers in that series? So here we know it is simple addition, right? It is a simple plus 3 series, which means I add 3 to get the next number. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. So plus 3, I get my number 20, and plus 3, I get my number 23. So the easiest kind of series where the same number is added again and again to get the next number of the series. Or I could have a series like this: 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16 and 22. Now knowing that this is an addition series, let's take a look at what is being added each time. So 1 plus 1 gives me 2, 2 plus 2 gives me 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. So obviously the next number 22 plus 7 gives me 29, and 29 plus 8 gives me my next number 37. So what are we doing? Instead of adding the same number again and again, we are adding the consecutive numbers. First I'm adding 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. However, the basic logic here is also addition of numbers. Or I could have a series like this, right? Now in this series, what is being done? So if you take a look carefully at the numbers, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So again I add 3. I get my next number 19, and then I add 1. I get my next number 20. So one of the first logic that you should check whenever you are given a series is there some sort of addition which is going on, right? If the numbers are being added to get the next number of the series, then identify what is being added and then use that logic to get the missing numbers of the series. So the simplest kind of series are addition. Now, the second logic that we are looking at is multiplication. So supposing I have a set of numbers like this. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. 32 multiplied by 2 is 64. So 64 again multiplied by 2 will give me 128, and 128 multiplied by 2 will give me 256. So here it's a simple multiplied by 2 series. Every number is double the previous number. That is, you multiply the number by 2 and you get the next number of the series. Now, to understand whether we should check with addition or multiplication, let's go back to the previous slide and take a look at the numbers. See, even when a lot of numbers went on, the size of the number did not increase by much. Even with 5, 6, 7 steps, we are still playing in the nearby numbers. But when you took a look at this series, look at it. From 2 it jumped to 60, then 100, then 200. Next number will be 500, next number will be 1000. So when the size of the number changes drastically, then the logic that you should be looking for is multiplication, right? When you are looking for small changes, then check whether it is addition, subtraction. But if the change in the size of the number is quite large, then multiplication or division could be the logic. If it is changing in the upward direction, check for multiplication. If it is reducing drastically, then division. Chalo, take a look at this series. Now the moment you see from 1 to 6, it is reaching 700 suddenly. That means some sort of addition is definitely going on here. The size of the number is jumping from single unit digits to 3-digit numbers very quickly. So I'm multiplying it, but multiplying by what? So 1 ones are 1, multiplied by 2 is 2, multiplied by 3 is 6, multiplied by 4, 64, 24, 24 multiplied by 5, 120, 120 multiplied by 6, 720. So 720 multiplied by 7. My first number should be equal to 5040. And then again, when you multiply this by 8, then you get 40320. So my numbers are 5040 and 40320. And look, the numbers went from single digit to 100 to 1000 to 10,000 range, right? So definitely it is a multiplication series. And then if I give you 2, 4, 12, 24, 72, 144, what should be the next number in the series? So what are the numbers related with, how are the numbers related to each other? So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72, 72 multiplied by 2 is 144. So the next number obviously is 144 multiplied by 3, which should be equal to 432. If I want one more number after that, then my answer after this will be 864. So alternately I am multiplying by 2 and 3, right? Double, triple, and so on. So did we understand the first two basic kind of examples? One is the logic where we add and subtract. The second is the logic where we multiply or divide, right? If the numbers are changing in a small manner, then look for addition. If the numbers are jumping in size rapidly, then look for multiplication. Now, I could have a mixture of these logic. Like if I'm given 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 15 and 30, then obviously what is the logic? I first add 1, then multiplied by 2, again add 1, then multiplied by 2, again add 1, multiplied by 2. So the next number I add 1, I get 31, I multiplied by 2, I get 62. So 31 and 62 are the two numbers that we are looking for, right? So both addition and multiplication are being done here. Both addition and multiplication are being done here. Similarly, if I give you 2, 4, 9, 18, 23, 46, 51, what should be the next two numbers in this series? What should be the next two numbers in this particular series? Yes, Aditya. Calculation thoda sambhal ke. Be a little careful with your calculations. Chalo. So, what is it? Multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 multiplied by 2 is 46. 46 plus 5 is 51. So 51 multiplied by 2 will give me 102. And if I add 5 to it, my next number will be 107. So 102 and 107 are the numbers that we are looking for. 102 and 107 are the numbers that we are looking for. Yes? Have we reached here so far? Understood? We are just playing with addition and multiplication, simple addition. So you just have to be careful in looking at the numbers, right? And because the numbers won't be very complicated, just looking at them will give you a fair idea of what exactly you are searching for. Now, other than addition and multiplication, some type of series can be formed using groups, right? So supposing you are given many numbers, and what is happening? See, the size of the number is increasing, then decreasing, right? It seems to be randomly going up and down. So in such a case, try to divide them into groups of 3. And when a lot of numbers are there where they seem to be jumping around, when you put them in groups of 3, you will see some connection between them, right? For example, the first number of every triplet, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. The last number of every triplet, 3, 5, 7. So obviously here we should be getting 9. And then first multiplied by last gives you the middle number. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. So 8 multiplied by 9 will give me the middle number, which is 72. So the numbers that I'm looking for are 72 and 9. Correct? So whenever you have a lot many numbers where the size of the number seems to be going haphazardly up and down, but there are many numbers, at least 8 to 10 numbers are given. Till the previous example, 4, 5, 6 numbers would have been given. But here you can see almost 9, 10 numbers are given. So when many numbers are given, see if you can split them into groups and find some connection between the numbers in the group. Like one more example. If I give you 11, 24, 13, 14, 30, 16, 17, 36, 19. That should be simple. Again, we split the numbers into group of 3, right? So whenever we split the number into group of 3, let's see, 11, 13, then 14, 16, 17, 19. So this should be 20. And if there was one more dash here, this would have been 22, right? Then 11 plus 13 is 24, 14 plus 16 is 30, 17 plus 19 is 36. So 20 plus 22, my middle number will be 42. Did everybody get this one? Easy, not difficult. Okay. Now, addition, multiplication, grouping of series. We can have them some simple series based on the property of numbers. Like if I say 49, 64, 81, 100, 121. Pretty obvious that this is 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, 10 square, 11 square. So the next two numbers will be the squares of 12 and 13. That means 144 and 169 have to be the next two numbers. So that's why we keep telling that at least 1 to 20 or 30 if possible, you have to remember these square values. Similarly, if I give you 64, 125, 216, 343, this is nothing but cube of 4, cube of 5, cube of 6, cube of 7. So the next new numbers, cube of 8 and 9. So 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, right? So if you are able to identify the numbers just by looking at them, you will get this one. Similarly, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. All these are prime numbers. Numbers which are not divisible by any other number except one in itself. So after 29, the next two primes, 31 and 37. We are looking at 31 and 37 as the next two primes. So if you remember the values of squares, looking at the number itself, you will understand that there is some sort of square going on or some sort of cube going on. And prime numbers rarely asked, and they won't ask you large primes, right? They will not ask you primes beyond 100 or something, right? Till 100, it's easy to understand the primes. So they will give you, if at all they are going to ask a question of series based on primes, it will be somewhere less than 100, right? So that you don't have to remember too many primes. Okay. Now, let's take individual examples where till now I have been telling you what was the logic of the series. Now I'll simply give you the series but not the logic. So you will first have to understand it and then find out what the missing number should be. Like in this one, what should be my missing number? श्रीकर चेक करो एक बार. महक चेक योर लॉजिक. कैलकुलेशन में छोटू सा गलती किया आपने. यू गॉट द लॉजिक बट नंबर में स्लाइट मिस्टेक किया है. सो दिस वन इज प्रेटी ऑब्वियस, राइट? ऑल्टरनेट नंबर्स 8, 11, blank and 17, 43, 41 and 39. So for here 2 is being subtracted. Here it is plus 3. So if I follow the same logic, 11 plus 3 will give me 14. And again if I add 3, then 14 plus 3 definitely gives me 17. So here when a number is missing in between, you can always confirm that your answer is true. Because if the number is true, then the logic extended will help you identify the next number in the sequence itself. Right? Simple one. This one was pretty straightforward. No problems in this particular series. I hope there was no problem in this particular series. Then moving ahead. What about this one? Tamanna, check it once. Others, everybody is getting it. Soham, एक बार check कर लो. Yes, typing mistake. Okay. So this is also pretty simple. If you take a look carefully, then the number 21 is practically every alternate place, right? So her alternate jagah pe, in every alternate place you are putting 21. So then the remaining numbers 9, 11, 13 and blank. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13. So 13 plus 2 should give me my answer 15. Correct? 13 plus 2 should definitely give me my next number, which is 15. Simple one. Try this. Looking at the number, you can very easily say what is the logic behind it. But getting it right through calculations is important. Yes, correct answers all so far. शाश्वत नम्र चेक इट. शाश्वत टाइप करने में गलती की है आई गेस. मेशवा नो. कुनिका चेक योर लॉजिक. हृदय चेक योर लॉजिक. Others are all getting it right. So from hundreds, if it is going to a single digit 1, that means some sort of division, right? 70 divided by 1 is 720. Divided by 2 is 360. If I divide it by 3, I will get 120. Which I divide by 4, I'll get 30. Which divided by 5 is 6. So as my series is perfect, so definitely my answer in this particular case has to be 120. You get it? The answer here definitely has to be 120. Namra. Careful, careful, careful. Okay. What about this one? Identify the missing number in the given series. Yes, Aditya. Easy peasy. Right, everybody's getting it. Vanshika, check. Vanshika, I think typo. Correct. Most of us getting it right. So the logic here is pretty straightforward, right? If I check the difference is 5, then 7, then 9, then 11. So the difference itself is in the range of 2. So the next difference, if it is 13, then my next number is 35 plus 13, which gives me 48. 35 plus 13 gives me my next number, that is 48. What about this one? Funny looking series, but technically it is simple. Vanshika, no. Everybody's getting this one right. Very good. We have done a very similar example just a couple of minutes back. Tamanna, see, if I take a look at it, then every alternate number is 3, right? And ignoring the 3's, we get 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 plus 3 definitely gives me my next number 12, right? 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12. Or 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Right? Number, the bars are only for separating the numbers. Right? Yash. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Multiplication में भी plus ही तो होता है यार. It's the same thing. चलो. So this is definitely 12. What about this one? Good. Correct so far. All of you correct so far. Very good. मलय लॉजिक क्या है? Are you sure, Mahek? Amanbir, no. See, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 2s are 22 plus 1 is 23. 23 2s are 46 plus 1 is 47. So 47 multiplied by 2 is 94 and 94 plus 1 gives me my answer 95. So basically every number follows the pattern of 2n plus 1. Right? You multiply the number by 2 and add 1 to it. You get the next number in the series. Amanbir, do you get it? It's every number is double plus 1 and so on. Hope you got it. So so see, if you take a look at the differences, then the difference is 3, the difference is 6, the difference is 12, the difference is 24. So obviously the difference here is 48. And take a look at the differences. 2 ka double plus 1, 5 ka double plus 1, 11 ka double plus 1, 23 ka double plus 1. So 47 ka double plus 1. Either way it is the same. Either way it is the same. Even if you take a look at the difference, logically the difference is n plus 1. So when you add n with n plus 1, you get 2n plus 1. Mathematically it means the same thing, right? Mathematically it means the same thing. Okay. Next. Right. Correct so far. Pranav, calculation mistake, I guess. Check it once. Yes. Most of you have got this one. So although the numbers look big and complicated, logic is pretty simple. You subtract 35 from any number, you get the next one, right? It is simply subtracting 35 from every number. So in this case, 439 minus 35 gives me 404. 439 minus 35 gives me 404. Straightforward. Chalo. This is very typical. Let's see who gets this one. Very typical series. राइट एग्जाम में ऐसे सीरीज आने के चांसेस बहुत कम हैं, बट इंटरेस्टिंग टू नो. Shashwat, yes, got it. Tavanna also got it. Very good. Very good, Nilay. Shubhankar, no. Hardi, yes. Ooh, lot of you are getting it. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Stuti, no. See, 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. 12 can be written as 4 plus 8. 36 is 9 plus 27. 80 is 16 plus 64. 150 is 25 plus 125. So basically, I'm adding n square and n cube. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 6 square plus 6 cube. So when you add 6 square and 6 cube, you should get your answer 252. Do you get that, Shubhankar? How did you get such a large number? Adding mistake. Chalo. Aman bhi. So, what is this? This is nothing but the sum of the squares and cubes, right? The first one is 1 square plus 1 cube. The second number is 2 square plus 2 cube. Then 3 square plus 3 cube. 4 square plus 4 cube. 5 square plus 5 cube. So my last number is 6 square plus 6 cube. Now did everybody get it? यश ओके बट थोड़ा टिपिकल सा है तो एग्जाम में इतना क्लियरली ये इतना वाला नहीं आएगा कुछ थोड़ा टफ है ये प्रॉब्लम सो यू मे नॉट गेट दिस डायरेक्टली इन द एग्जामिनेशन राइट बट आ गया तो नाउ वी विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट चलो ये तो उससे भी टफ है बट सिमिलर लॉजिक थोड़ा बहुत प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल का लॉजिक कैसे मैच करता है नॉट एग्जैक्टली द सेम बट थोड़ा बहुत मैच करता है Ooh, yes. Disha, Shashwat, Pranav all got it. Very good. पिछले एग्जाम्पल से थोड़ा बहुत सिमिलर है नॉट एग्जैक्टली द सेम बट पिछला एग्जाम्पल अगर समझ में आ गया हो दिस वन देन यू हैव टू थिंक समवॉट लाइक दैट सो हियर आई कैन से 6 is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 14 can be written as 1 plus 4 plus 9 36 can be written as 1 plus 8 plus 27 98 can be written as 1 plus 16 plus 81 so what am I doing I'm saying first number is 1 raised to 1 plus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 1 plus 3 raised to 1 then 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square then 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and 1 raised to 4 plus 2 raised to 4 plus 3 raised to 4 so my next number should be 1 raised to 5 that is 1 plus 2 raised to 5 that is 32 and 3 raised to 5 that is 243 and once you add these numbers you will get your answer 276 did everybody understand this one बहुत ही typical series है एग्जाम में आने के chances almost zero right pretty tough I know so chances of this coming in an exam is almost equal to 0 बहुत ही rare होगा कोई पूछेगा right it is nothing but every number is 1 raised to n plus 2 raised to n plus 3 raised to n. So n की वैल्यू 1 डालो, फिर 2 डालो, फिर 3 डालो, and so on. Number for method, no method. See, series में logic strike होना चाहिए. There is no formula, right? It just has to strike how these numbers are connected. Amanbir, did you get it? Chal. Again, we come back to average question. Not very tough. Manush, no. Disha, yes. Namra, how did you get that? Parnika and Manush, how did you get that number? Are you sure, Manush? Does it work for all the numbers? Does it work for all the numbers? Now, some of you are giving me the logic that 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16, correct? 16 3s are 48, plus 1 is 49, correct? But 49 multiplied by 3 is actually 146. फिर ये number नहीं आएगा. So this logic does not work, guys. This logic does not work. Right? So don't be hasty. Check. But check the differences. The difference between the first two numbers is 11. Then the difference is 33. Then the difference is 55. So 11, 33, 55. Next difference, simple, 77. Right? And if 77 is the difference, my answer becomes 181. Right? If you checked only the first two numbers and thought you got the logic, then you might have been wrong, because the next number does not follow that logic. But the differences are simply odd multiples of 11, 11, 33, 55, 77, 99, and so on and so forth. Aditya, does your logic work every time? It does not work for the second number itself. 16 2s are 32. 32 के बाद 49 नहीं आता. Doesn't work. Yes. चलो. This is simply you check the differences, you will get the answer. Now, what about this? Actually a very simple series. Actually a very simple series. Gets it? Yes, Disha, Shashwat, all of you got it. Good. Right? Others should also get it. See, you just have to look at the numbers. इन सब नंबर के पड़ोसियों को अगर देखें 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, then it becomes pretty obvious what these numbers are, right? It's nothing but 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, and 7 cube. So the next number 8 cube is 512. So subtract 1 from that, you get answer 511. So my answer is 511. All these are perfect cube minus 1. Every single number here is nothing but a perfect cube minus 1. Chala. Got it? Hope everybody did get this one. So that's why I keep saying, just like squares, at least from 1 to 15, if possible till 20, you must know the cube value of numbers. So if you are familiar with the cube values, then looking at these numbers, automatically it will strike that they are all nothing but neighbors of perfect cubes. Next one, number in between. What is the missing number here? Yes, Shashwat, correct. सोनिया नहीं. So looking at the size of the numbers, right, from 410 it goes up to 700, so some sort of multiplication. And if you take a look at it, 80, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72, triple value हो रहा है. So if I multiply it by 3 and then subtract 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 2, 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 minus 2, 28, 28 3s are 84, 84 minus 2, 82, 82 3s are 246, 246 minus 2, 244, 244 3s are 732, minus 2, 730. So definitely my answer here should be 28. My answer is obviously 28. A lot of you did get this one also. Very good. Did everybody understand it now? Okay. What about this one? Yes, number. That's right. Correct, Shubhankar. Good. Everybody's getting it right so far. Good, 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 good. So the first difference is 7. Then the difference is 21. Then the difference is 35. And then the difference is 49. So basically 7 ones are, then 7 threes are, then 7 fives are, then 7 sevens are. So my next difference should be 7 nines are, that is 63. And once you add 224 and 63, you get the number which is 287. So odd multiples of 7 are the differences between the numbers. The difference between consecutive numbers are the odd multiples of 7. Correct? Yes, Hardi. See, direct question देख के तो नहीं ही strike होगा, right? Most of the time एग्जाम में आपको ये थोड़ी बोलेंगे कि लॉजिक क्या है. So you have to think. First think, addition हो सकता है, addition subtraction नहीं, multiplication division हो सकता है नहीं, then check whether it is in groups, whether it could be a combination, whether it could be cubes and squares and things like that. 90% of the exam questions are usually based on simple addition and multiplication. तो सबसे पहले consecutive numbers का difference देखने का, अगर numbers पास में हो, राइट, नंबर्स पास में हो, तो सबसे पहले उन सबके बीच का डिफरेंस एक बार चेक कर लेने का. स्टेप बाय स्टेप करोगे, मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व. डू यू गेट दैट? मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व. यू ओनली हैव टू डू इट स्टेप बाय स्टेप. एक एक करके ऑप्शन, एक एक करके चेक करते जाओ, एडिशन है कि नहीं है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन है या नहीं है. सो फॉर दैट numbers are if the numbers are increasing slowly, check addition, वरना ratio. Right. For example, what is the first thing that I should check in this case? Amanbir, yes, the practice of IQ book is pretty good enough for this. Right? So 8 से लेके 500 तक जा रहा है, यानी कि कुछ ना कुछ तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन होना है. करेक्ट. आरदी, सबसे पहले मल्टीप्लीकेशन का सोचो, स्क्वायर्स तो बाद में आएगा, पहले मल्टीप्लीकेशन हो सकता है, राइट, क्योंकि नंबर एकदम सडनली जंप हो रहा है. सो 8 से लेके 28 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में क्या कर सकते हो, 8 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 28 के बाजू में पहुंचेगा. राइट. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. तो 24 तो नहीं है, बट +4 किया तो 28 आ गया. अब 28 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 अगर करके देखूं, 28 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 अगर करके देखूं, देन वी गेट 28 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 इज 84. 84 से 116 बहुत ज़्यादा एडिशन है, बट 28 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 अगर करके देखूं, दैट 28 मल्टीप्लाई 4 वी गेट 112. अगेन +4 करोगे तो 116 आ जाएगा. अब 100 and 500, सो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 करके देखो, so 116 multiplied by 5 is 580. Again +4 करोगे तो 584 आ गया, तो सीक्वेंस मिल गया. So this is multiplied by 6 and you add 4 to it. So फंडा समझ में आया कैसे करते हैं आदि? Yes. So ऐसे ही स्टेप बाय स्टेप चेक करो, अपने आप आ जाएगा. चलो ट्राई दिस वन. Correct so far? ऋषिकेश एक बार कैलकुलेशन चेक कर लो. शुभांकर नहीं, कैलकुलेशन चेक कर लो. यस. सो 3 से लेके 95 तक कूद रहा है नहीं मल्टीप्लीकेशन. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 2s are तो 14 है, but 7 3s are 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 into 4 is 92 plus 3 is 95. So obviously 95 multiplied by 5 and you add 4 to it, you will get the next answer, which is equal to 479. 479. Shubham, 479. उर्मी, कैलकुलेशन में गड़बड़ किया होगा, बाकी लॉजिक तो आई थिंक यू गॉट इट, बस कैलकुलेशन या तो टाइपिंग में ही मिस्टेक है. चलो, डिड एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टैंड इट? यस, समझ में आ गया, राइट. सो स्टेप बाय स्टेप साइज ऑफ द नंबर से थोड़ा बहुत अपने अंदाजा लगा पाएंगे कि व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ लॉजिक आर वी लुकिंग एट. यहाँ पे बिकॉज 3 से 95 3 स्टेप्स में पहुंच रहा है, सो यू ऑब्वियसली हैव टू चेक मल्टीप्लीकेशन से ये कैसे हो सकता है. चलो, नंबर जितने बड़े होते हैं लॉजिक उतना सिंपल होता है. डोंट गेट फ्राइटेंड लुकिंग एट द साइज ऑफ द नंबर्स. बिलीव मी, नंबर अगर बड़े हैं समटाइम्स इट इज द सिंपलेस्ट ऑफ लॉजिक. Think. Yes. Everybody is getting it right so far. Because the numbers are big, you only have to be careful with the calculation part. But if you're careful with the calculation part, you check the differences between the numbers, you will identify that they have a common difference. So my answer should be 2276. Right? The difference between every two consecutive numbers which are given is exactly the same. So the same number you keep on subtracting, you reach the answer, which is 2276. Hope everybody got this one. Correct? Okay. What about this? This I don't think should be difficult. Parnika, nahi. Manush, check your numbers. Something is missing. Check your numbers. I think this is also pretty simple, right? 6 2s are 12, plus 1 is 13. 13 2s are 26, plus 2 is 28. 28 2s are 56, plus 3 is 59. So 59 multiplied by 2 is equal to 118. That plus 4 should give me my next number, which is equal to 122. And if you want to confirm, then 122 multiplied by 2 is 244. 244 plus 5 will give you the next number, 249. Hope everybody understood this one. Did everybody understand the logic behind this one? Okay. Chotu Sa series, but simple one. Should be able to get this very quickly. Pretty simple, right? 9 twos are 18, minus 1 is 17. 17 twos are 34, minus 1 33. 33 twos are 66, minus 1 65. 65 twos are 130. So 130 minus 1 gives me my number 129. 129 is the number that we are looking for. Right? Double minus 1 is the logic. Very simple, straightforward. Chalo. What is the missing number in this series? थोड़ा टेढ़ा है, but interesting if you get it. Soham, what's the difference? What's the logic there? Shashwat, correct, got it. Soham, do you see any logic in those numbers? Shaurya also got it. Guys, are we getting the answers? Yes. Stuti, Diya, Hardi, got it. Soham, partially you are right. So 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Minus 3 is 3. 3 threes are 9. Minus 3 is 6. 6 threes are 18. Minus 3 is 15. 15 threes are 45. Minus 3 is equal to 42. And 42, again, if you multiply by 3, is 126. Minus 3 is 123. So every number, 3 times the number, minus 3 is your answer. Triple the value and subtract 3. Triple the value and subtract 3. Slightly typical example, but many of you did manage to get it right. Very good. Okay. Looks interesting. Oh, Disha, correct. Shashwat also, yes. Urmi, just check your calculation. Slight gadbad. Shubhankar, slight calculation gadbad. Baki to barabar hai. Hit Aditya, correct. Hardi, check your calculation. Slight gadbad. Vanshika, check your numbers. Dvija, correct. Urmi, check your numbers once again. Right. So 9 multiplied by 3, 27 plus 4, 31 multiplied by 5, 155 plus 6, 161 multiplied by 7. So next should be 1127 plus 8, which leads us to the answer. So 1127 is 1137 minus 2, 1135. 1135. Right? Some of you just goofed up the calculation, plus minus थोड़ा लोचा हो गया, but logic I think समझ में आ गया सबको. I think everybody got the logic. Just the calculation was slightly wonky. Yeah. Okay. So alternately it is simply multiplication and addition, consecutive numbers. Ooh, this is a very क्या बोले इसको अभी, very typical problem. Very typical problem. Again, chances of this question in the exam very low. It's not difficult, but chances के exam में आएगा is very low. Are we getting it? Jia, very good. Shashwat also got it. Disha also got it. Hardi, slight calculation या तो typing में mistake है. Very good. Good one, Hardi. Mehak, very good. Mehak, your logic mathematically slightly different logic है, but answer correct है. Yeah. So basically, if I take a look at the numbers, the first number is 1 into 2 into 3, then 2 into 3 into 4, then 3 into 4 into 5, 4 into 5 into 6, 5 into 6 into 7. So next is 6 into 7 into 8. So 6 into 7, 42, and 42 multiplied by 8 gives me 336. 3 consecutive numbers का multiplication. 3 consecutive numbers का multiplication. N cube minus n. Did you get the answer? Did all the numbers follow it? If you get the answer, then it's right. Right? Even that logic is right. You can also say this is 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4, 5 cube minus 5, 6 cube minus 6. So next number 7 cube minus 7. Even that will work. Yes, even that will work. Do you understand why this works? Right? Because if I do n cube minus n, then this is equal to n into n square minus 1. So n square minus 1 is n plus 1 into n minus 1. Right? 3 consecutive numbers. Logically it's the same thing. Right? Logically it's the same thing. So if by sight you're able to identify they are very close to cube values, then also you will get the answer. अगर ये logic strike नहीं हुआ, लेकिन numbers को देख के it strikes that they are very near cube, then also you will get it. So logic is correct either ways. चल. What is Dij? 3, 5, 35, 10, 12, 35, 17. Correct. Number got it. Very good. Shaurya, Dhanil, Harshit. Everybody getting it. बहुत बढ़िया है. Right. Random numbers ऊपर नीचे यानी 3 चेक करूंगा. So 35, 35. So every third number is by default 35. 3 plus 2, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, right? उसके बाद बट पहले नंबर को चेक करें. +7, अगेन +7. So my number here can be 19. So that's it. So basically +2 into 2 +2 +2 plus 5 +2 plus 5 +2 plus 5 and so on. So 19 and 35. Hardi, you're off by just one number. 19 and 35. Second number exceeding the first number by 2. वो तो है ही. 3 plus 2 is 5. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 17 plus 2 has to be 19. That is the logic, Shubhankar. That's exactly the logic I gave. Yeah, Hardi. Typing, very careful. Be very careful, right? Even if you get the right answer, but if you type or mark the wrong answer, तो मेहनत पे पानी. So just take a second extra to confirm whatever you are giving as the answer is the right answer, right? Don't be hasty. Chalo. Easy one. Correct. So far everybody get it. I think this was pretty simple. 13, 15, 17, 19. So obviously 21. 29 minus 3, 26 minus 3, 23 minus 3. So 20. So obviously 20 and 21 are the two numbers that I'm looking for, right? Alternates. Two different series given as alternate places. Two different series are given alternately. Right. So let's take a look at a few questions from letter series as well. They pretty much follow the same logic as numbers, but numbers में तो you can do multiple things like addition, subtraction, square, cubes, primes. You cannot do all that with letters. Letters में सिर्फ plus minus कर सकते हैं. So letters are actually easier than number series. For example, if I get this S C D T E F U G H W K L, then what should be the number, what should be the trio of letters in between? तो A B C D अगर आता है तो सिंपल है. S T U V W. मिडिल को चेक करो. C D छोड़ के E, F छोड़ के G, so H छोड़ के I, leave J, you get K. Similarly D E F G H I J K L. So obviously V I J are the three letters we are looking for in between. V I J. What about this? Yep, correct. Pretty simple. So पहले को कंपेयर करेंगे तो F G H I, which means first letter J, A A A A A A A A A A A A then F G G F H I I H, तो J K and उसके बाद भी अगर पूछा हो तो K J. So the trio that I'm looking for is J A K. Priyanshi, J A K अमन भी JAK, इसमें तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ ABCD का सीक्वेंस आना चाहिए. देयर इज नथिंग एल्स इन लेटर सीरीज. इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ गेटिंग योर ABCD राइट. Correct. Next. Correct, Harshit. Oh yes, everybody is getting this one right. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. It's a killer answer, killer answer. So, E, F, G, H, I, J. So, K, L, M, N. Baki L, A, L, A, L, A. So, L, A, L, A. So, obviously K, L, L, A. शुभंकर K, L, L, A. K के बाद L आता है. L, L. So, double L. K, double L है. खिला. करेक्ट. ABCD में लोचे मत मारो. लेटर सीरीज तो पप्पू होता है क्योंकि उसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ ABCD आना चाहिए. देयर इज नो ग्रेट लॉजिक. राइट. स्टेप बाय स्टेप करोगे यू विल ऑलवेज गेट लेटर सीरीज राइट. चलो. Be careful, you will get this one. Very easy. Siddhi, Locha. बेटा डोंट बी हेस्टी. चेक करो. C के बाद D, E के बाद F, G के बाद H छोड़ो तो I, फिर M, N, O, P, Q, R. So S. So ISS. ISS. Is what you are looking at. Siddhi, got it? ABCD का लोचा नहीं. प्रियांशी ABCD का लोचा नहीं. ISS. Vanshika, I know that. See, it's always fundamentals. People, when they learn advanced concepts, they forget fundamentals. It's not that they forget fundamentals, they just are hasty and make silly mistakes with fundamentals. That's why I'm a strong believer in doing your fundamentals right. I don't believe in doing advanced formula and stuff. Learn your fundamentals and every single type of question can be solved. Your fundamentals must always be strong. Chalo. दिखने में complicated छे. Probably the easiest example so far. This is probably the easiest example that I could have asked. इससे सिर्फ एक ही example और easy हो सकता है. So literally A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. So obviously ABCD reverse में है. H, G, F is what you are looking at. It is literally ABCD in reverse. Meshwa, you got the logic, but लिखने में लफड़ा किया आपने. उल्टा लिखना है. शाश्वत, GHFG किधर से होएगा? शाश्वत, ABCD जरा बोलना. ABCDEFG HIJKLMNOP. HFG कहाँ से होएगा रे? HFG नहीं होएगा. HGF because FGH का उल्टा. Did you get that? ABCD, literally it's ABCD in reverse. No complications there. Please, ABCD છે. See, if you can remember ABCD in reverse, then excellent. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Yeah. L-O-M-N-O-P. So Namra, yeah. Nobody taught me it is L-M-N-O. बचपन में किसी ने नहीं सिखाया था. बचपन में तो हम सब गाना गाते थे L-O-M-N-O-P-Q. So we always used to think it is L-O-M-N-O. Right? बचपन में I never realized that this is not what we are singing. We are supposed to say L-M-N-O. But always we used to say L-O-M-N-O. It's not a mistake. That is exactly. If you don't say this, then you are not a normal बच्चा. Right? If you say properly L-M-N-O, you are not normal. बचपन में everybody should say L-O-M-N-O. ठीक है चलो. Right. इसमें आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू बिकॉज लिटरली सब ऐसे ही एग्जाम्पल्स होते हैं. वी क्विकली ऑल्सो रिवाइज कोडिंग बिकॉज लेटर्स की अगर बात कर ही रहे हैं, ABCD की अगर बात कर ही रहे हैं, तो कोडिंग इज ऑब्वियसली द नेक्स्ट स्टेप टू गो फ्रॉम देयर. राइट. सो कोडिंग में यू आर गिवन अ वर्ड एंड यू आर गिवन द कोड. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ द वर्ड हैज बीन कोडेड, एंड वंस यू आइडेंटिफाई द टेक्निक, you have to apply the same technique to the second word and find out the code. Like, suppose it is given that monkey is coded as XDJMNL, right? If it is given that monkey is coded as XDJMNL, then how is tiger written in that code? तो पहले तो विल आइडेंटिफाई कि इस कोड का रिलेशन क्या है. तो जैसे ही यहाँ पे y एंड x दिखता है, x के बाद y, d के बाद e, j के बाद k, m के बाद n, n के बाद o एंड l के बाद n. दैट मीन्स एवरी लेटर हैज बीन रिप्लेस्ड बाय द प्रीवियस लेटर एंड देन द वर्ड हैज बीन स्विच्ड. तो पहले तो सबका लेटर लिखेंगे. t के पहले आएगा s, I के पहले आएगा H, G के पहले F, E के पहले D and R के पहले Q. And once I get this, I have to write it in reverse. So Q, D, F, H, S. So my answer is Q, D, F, H and S. You write the previous letter of each letter in the given word and then at the end, पूरे word को reverse में लिख दो. That is the logic in this particular example. Did everybody get it? Did everybody understand the logic of this particular example? Okay. Now, try this one. If fragrance is SBHSBODFG, then imposing. How do you write imposing? It's a very nice example. Easy, but slightly you have to pay attention to the word and code. If you look at it properly, you will get it. Like in the previous example, I wrote the word and the code below it. If you write it like that, your brain will immediately catch the pattern. Oh, Shashwat already got it. Very good. Yes, Shashwat, correct. Sonia, no. Manush also got it. Others are getting it, yes. Sonia, just check it once. So, here, if fragrance, F-A-F-R-A-G-R-A-N-C-E is written as S-B-H-S, B, O, D, F, and G. What you can see is R, S, A, B, G, H, R, S, A, B, N, O, C, D, E, F, right? And then F, G. So using the same logic, if I want to write imposing, then M, N, P, Q, O, P, S, T, I, J, N, O, G, H, and I, J should be my answer. It's just the next letter and then all the positions are shifted by one place. You just need to be careful in the letters. Once you understand the logic, then to ABCD का ही मामला है. Did everybody get this one? Hopefully yes. Okay. If nature is MASUQE, then how is famine written in that code? EG, this is EG. If nature is MASUQE, then how is famine written in that code? Good, Sonia, good. Pranav, Aditya, ABCD, beta log, ABCD, Manush, ABCD. Letters में लोचेज मत मारोज. See, nature, chole bhature, nature. So if nature is MASUQE, as you can see, ये alternate words तो same है, लेकिन the others are replaced by the previous one. So N is replaced by the previous letter, T by the previous letter, and so on. So when I want to write famine in that code, so obviously जो alternate places के हैं उसको तो वैसे का वैसा रखूंगा. Replace the others by the previous letter. F के पहले E, M के पहले M, L, N के पहले M, right? I have to replace it by the previous letter, not the next one. Previous letter. So EALIME should be my answer. Yes. See, so letter series will be very simple. The only problem is हम क्रैक सही तरीके से करेंगे कि -1 करना है and then exam में +1 करके आएंगे. It will always be a silly mistake which will put you the wrong answer. And believe me, they will also have an option with the wrong answer. They know exactly what kind of mistake students will make. So they will also give one option with that mistake wala answer. So you have to be very, very careful of what you are doing, whether you are increasing the letter or whether you are decreasing the letter, right? Namra, here alternate, here, see, they will not give you anything confusing. That's why, see, nature may be vowels and famine maybe vowels were same. If it was something else, we don't know whether they're actually replacing only consonants or they're replacing alternates. But they will never give you an example like that where you have to make that difference. Namra, do you get that? They will always give you some similar word so that there is no confusion there. They will always give you a straightforward word. There won't be a confusion because here we don't know whether they are replacing the vowels or whether they are replacing the even number ka letters. So they will always give you similar words so that you don't have to go with that confusion. Okay. If teacher is VGCEJGT, then dullard is written as what? Yes, Sonia, correct. Oh, very good. So I think this also they are getting छोटा एक मिस्टेक होने के चांसेस हैं, बट बाकी तो इट इज सिंपल. इफ टीचर is written as V G C E J G T. So R S T U V E F G A B C C D E H I J E F G R S T, right? +2 सब में किया है. So dullard is F U V W L M N A B C R S T D E F. So F W N C T F should be my answer. Straightforward. +2 का है लॉजिक. सिद्धि ABCD. Dullard, a person who is dull. A person who is dull is a dullard. बुद्धू जिसको बोलते हैं, हिंदी में जिसको बुद्धू बोलते हैं, मंद बुद्धि, that's a dullard. A person who has a dull intellect is a dullard. चलो. If victory is YLF WRUB, then success is what? Easy. Victory is YLF WRUB UVWXYZ IJKL CDEF TUVW OPQR RSTU YZAB. सो सक्सेस दो लेटर्स को छोड़ो. TUVUVWXCDEFEFGHSTUV. So VXYFYHVV is the answer that we are looking for. Manush, ABCD. सी यार सक्सेस सारे एस का कोड तो सेम ही होना चाहिए ना. सो ये तो मैच होना चाहिए ना. या सो हम इसीलिए तो रिवीजन करते हैं. हैवी लग रहा है क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया है. दैट मीन्स प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. दैट्स वाई वी आर रिपीटिंग इट, राइट. सो इफ यू डन इट लॉन्ग टाइम बैक, इट्स अ गुड रिविजन, ताकि कॉन्सेप्ट सारे दिमाग में फ्रेश हो जाएं. फॉर सम दिस विल बी ए फ्रेश, फॉर अदर्स इट विल बी रिविजन, राइट, which goes to prove that all concepts you should keep on revising one after the other. Chalo, next one. If together is RQEGRJCT, then parole will be written as what? Yes, Namra, but what is the answer? The logic is not enough. Can you carefully write down the answer? Because exam में भी आपको ऐसे options होंगे where they are very close to each other. Priyanshi, no. You have not checked the full question. Vijay, correct. Manush, no. One letter is off. Yes, Mahek. Yes. So this one is pretty straightforward. Together is written as RQEGRJCT. So RST OPQ EFG RST HIJ CDE RST. So it's actually -2 + 2 -2 + 2 and so on. If you just checked one letter, then that will be a problem. So -2 + 2 के हिसाब से, राइट, इसमें माइनस आएगा, इन सारे लेटर्स में प्लस आएगा. सो P - 2 N A + 2 C R minus 2P, O plus 2Q, L minus 2J, and E plus 2 is G. So NCPQJG is what we are looking at. Hope everybody got this one. NCPQJG. First and last letters are interchanged. Okay, Manush. So, are the other letters also interchanged? वो तो लग interchange रहा है because RST and RST. It looks as if it is interchanged. Nah. Right? See, always there must be a symmetry. It should be uniform throughout. It should be uniform throughout. They have not swapped it. बीच में जो लॉजिक है वही लॉजिक फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट का भी है ना, तो एक्स्ट्रा लॉजिक क्यों लगाने का? जब सिंपल पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है एक्स्ट्रा लॉजिक क्यों लगा रहे हो? थ्रू एंड थ्रू सेम लॉजिक से आंसर आ जाता है. डू यू गेट इट? हाँ, बट नेवर सो. मानो इफ यू हैव कम अक्रॉस एग्जांपल्स वेयर फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट लेटर पैटर्न, they will give you purposely a second letter. Supposing they want you to swap the first and last, they will give one more letter to prove that it is swapped. यहाँ पे एक और एग्जाम्पल नहीं दिया, सिंगल दिया है, and it is following, all the letters are following this pattern, so they have to be kept as it is. चलो, next one. If heater is KBDQHO, then how is cooler encoded? I think very close to the previous one. Very close to the previous one. Got it? Simple example है. आदित्य ना गड़बड़ मारा, बाकी तो मोस्ट ऑफ यू गेट इट. मानुष एक आध लेटर में लोचा है. स्तुति चेक ऑल द लेटर्स. सो इफ हीटर is K, B, D, Q, H and O, then H, I, J, K, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, Q, R, S, T, E, F, G, H, O, P, Q, R, right? So plus 2, minus 2 and so on. So by that logic, यहाँ पे we have to go forward and बाकी में backward. तो C, D, E, F, O, P, Q, R, E, F, G, H and बाकी O से पिछला दो L, L से पिछला दो I, R से पिछला दो O. So FLR, IHO, FLR, IHO. आदित्य Z किधर से आ गया? लोचा मारा. माइनस की जगह प्लस, प्लस की जगह माइनस हो गया, आई गेस. You have to be careful in that. You have to be very careful in that. चलो, try this next one. If corner is GSV RIV, then how is central written in this code? Oh, come on. Same as the last two examples. Almost exactly the same as last two examples. Literally ABCD में गलती नहीं करोगे तो इसका आंसर आ जाएगा. तीन लेटर्स बीच में मिसिंग है. तो व्हेन वी वांट टू कोड सेंट्रल D, E, F, G, F G H I O P Q R U V W X T U V B C D E M N O P. So GIRXVEP is what we are looking at. Did everybody understand the logic? GIRXEVP VEP, sorry. +3 +3 +3. That's it. Nothing great. Chalo. If JOJAP is EPKOALD, then how is JARJ coded? Oh, come on. Pretty much the same type of examples now we are getting. Right? -4. So George, if I subtract 4, I get CAK and CA. That's it. CAK and CA. I think everybody got this one. Manush, last letter ek mein gadbad bara. Baki Kunika also, you just got one letter wrong, but you just need to be careful. Right? Alphabets, ABCD, simple. Yes. Chalo. Now, slightly different kind, but easy. If hyperbola is YPROHEBLA, then sentiment is coded as what? Hyperbola is YPROHEBLA. Yes, correct. One way which I find it simple is I just number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So hyperbola mein 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So उसी तरह if I want to write sentiment, I put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Rearrangement क्या होगा? 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. बस number ले लो. So 2 is E, 3 is N, 5 is I, 7th is E, 1st is S, 4th is T, 6th is M, 8th is N and last is T. So ENIEST, M and T, that's your answer. Right? Pattern ना भी समझना हो. Right? Even if it's random, but just by comparing the two letters and interchanging the position, we get it. जिस तरह से hyperbola के letters को rearrange किया है, I'm following the exact same order and rearranging sentiment. आरुषि, we ज़्यादा नहीं है, 5-6 ही है कुछ, 5-6 हैं. Everybody got this one? Everybody got this one? Right. Chalo. Similar example, फटाफट करते हैं, will be done. This is also rearrangement, right? Sandwich, ADSHCIWN. So इनको अगर मैं नंबर दे दूँ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then this becomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So geometry में 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 अगर ऐसा है तो आंसर 2 4 1 8 7 6 5 3. So 2 is E, 4 is M, 1 is G, 8 is Y, 7 is R, 6th is T, 5th is E, and 3rd is O. So that becomes my answer. Positions को swap किया, आंसर आ गया. Exactly the same logic as before, right? ऐसे नंबर करके करोगे तो blindly you can just follow the pattern. Pattern कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, नंबर्स के हिसाब से शिफ्ट कर दो सबको. Easy. चलो, if search is coded as IDS BFT, if search is coded as IDS BFT, then how is furnish coded in that language? I think pretty straightforward है. राइट हर लेटर का नेक्स्ट वन लिख के वर्ड को उल्टा कर देना है. सो एफ के बाद जी, यू, वी, आर, एस, एन, ओ, एल, एम, आई, जे, एस, टी, एच, आई. उल्टा लिख दो इसको, आई, टी, जे, ओ, एस, वी, जी. दैट्स माई आंसर. +1 करके पूरे वर्ड को ही रिवर्स कर दिया है. +1 करके पूरे वर्ड को ही रिवर्स कर दिया है. इजी. चलो, if symphony is coded as HBN, SKL, MB, then how is pickle coded in that language? Now this requires a bit of explanation, right? See, we can write ABCD like this. A to Z, there are 26 letters, and half of 26 is 13, where M is the 13th letter. So if I write half like this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and M. And the remaining half, if I write like N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, right? आधे letters and half पीछे. Then you will find a relationship. S and H are opposite. Y and B are opposite to each other. M and N are opposite to each other. So each letter is replaced by the opposite from the other half. So using the same logic, if pickle को करना है तो P का opposite is K, K का opposite is P, I का opposite is R, C का opposite is X, L is O, and E is V. So yes, mirroring. So K, R, X, P, O, V. Right? The entire alphabet is put in half and it is used as a mirror. So आगे से फर्स्ट को पीछे से फर्स्ट के साथ मैच कर दिया है. द सेकेंड लेटर इज मैच्ड विद द सेकेंड लास्ट. द थर्ड इज मैच्ड विद द थर्ड लास्ट, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. सो वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, इट बिकम्स प्रेटी सिंपल. चलो, if mystery is coded as ZLF GREL, how is pursue coded in that language? Yes. Aditya, how the previous one, the mirror one? See, always remember pairs like Y and B. Y is the last second, B is second, M and N, right? M and N are also opposite. So if Y and B, M and N, these pairs they click to you, then it will click that it is opposite. Right? For me, Y and B was the indicator. I know B is second and Y is last second. So second वो connection वहां पे बैठ जाता है. Right? Chalo. How do you get this one? Pursue. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So A, M has been replaced by Z. Y has been replaced by L. Okay. So middle से split करके extreme ends को क्रॉस किया है. तो S यहाँ से यहाँ पे S है तो ऊपर से उल्टे डायरेक्शन में जाना है. यहाँ से T यहाँ पे है तो G के साथ जाना है. E is with R and so on. Did everybody get it? Or plus 12 minus 12. Right? Hope everybody got this one. Right. This is very typical. You will not get this type of example much. Chalo. Ooh. This is very, very typical. If barricade is A, A, B, C, D, E, I, R, R, how is individual coded in that language? Do you understand what is being done in this example? Very intelligent. What have they done? This is the same letters. They have rearranged it. But how have they rearranged it? It's just in alphabetical order. All the letters are shuffled and rearranged in the alphabetical order. पहले A, फिर B, फिर C, फिर D, E, I, R, R. So individual के alphabetical order में rearrange करोगे, you will get the answer ADD, triple I, LN, UV. Yes. ADD, triple I, LN, UV. इंडिविजुअल के सारे लेटर्स को अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में रीअरेंज कर देना है. दैट्स इट. इफ यू रीअरेंज इन अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर यू विल गेट दिस वन. चलो, आई गेस लास्ट एग्जांपल. इफ डिस्प्ले इज BLQ SJDW, oh this is easy. If display is BLQ SJDW, then how is project written in this language? So alternatively minus 2 and plus 3. Minus 2 and plus 3. So project will be written as NUMMCFR. Manush, check कर लो एक बार. Minus 2 plus 3 है alternatively. So the correct answer is NUMMCFR. Right? Tamanna, numbers, obviously you can do it with numbers. In fact, if you find difficulty with letters, you can always substitute them with numbers and check. You can absolutely do it. Numbers में logic बड़ा clearly दिख जाएगा आपको. You can always substitute A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and so on. Yes, Namra, sometimes they might give you just one letter, but that will be in the middle one. Random letter को out of order नहीं देंगे. Sometimes the exact middle letter may follow a different logic. So you have to check the entire word. They won't randomly put some letter out of order. If they want to change one letter's logic, it will be generally the middle one. Because they always want to maintain symmetry in the question. Right? Chalo guys, so that's it. We had a quick revision of multiple topics. Number series, letter series, coding. The first 3 chapters of the analytical reasoning book. If you have not done it so far, then I very strongly recommend complete the 3 chapters, right? Number series, letter series and coding. And I had sent a model paper in the beginning of the week. I hope everybody is doing that. We'll be discussing that day after. So you still have got 2 more days to attempt that. Saturday we'll be taking a look at it. If there are any questions, you can hang around. Else we are done for the day. You may exit the session. Have a good day and stay safe.